Being a homeowner is going to be excited. Being a homeowner is a blessing. It's going to be love. It's going to be happiness. This is going to be the biggest accomplishment that I have ever achieved in my life. Kelvin is 18 years old. Also have Kelton, which is 12-year-old. Kelvin is gonna help me build my home. It's gonna teach him. It's gonna motivate him to want to go out there and get it and work for it. It's gonna mean a whole lot for Kelvin and Kelton to have their own yard, because now they will have the opportunity to cut their own grass every week and keep it up. So the day that we get ready to move into our home, I can tell you I'm gonna jump up and down and say, I did it. This is ours, we're here. It was well worth it. I'm Kruschetta, and I cannot wait to become a homeowner.